Howdy, folks. So we're assigned this West Point Bridge Builder activity, which we introduced in class this past week. So to do this, you have to get to the program West Point Bridge Designer. It's actually found at the Cameyo platform. I've bookmarked it into my favorites, but if you haven't, and you probably haven't, just go to the FM Schools homepage. So here's FM Schools. Let's click on the home page. Scroll down just a little bit. Under Quick Links, you're going to see Student Resources. Click on Student Resources. And then you'll notice the very first thing that comes up under More Information is Cameyo for remote work. Choose that. Now when you choose this, you're going to notice that because I've logged in once before, all the apps came up. Now, if this doesn't happen, let's see what it looks like if you're not logged in. Okay, so I'm going to do the same thing I did before. I'm going to go to FM Schools. I'm going to click on the link for the web page. I'm going to go down to Student Resources, and I'm going to click on Cameyo for remote work. So now you'll notice you have to log in using your Google, and you have to scroll down so you can say Allow, which is going to allow Cameyo to access your Google Drive. Now we're at West Point Bridge Designer. We can now start the program.